Alright, so here we are. Time to put the wax seal on there. So it says place bolts. Just reading the instructions here. That it's supposed to come with a wax ring. Just a tip. When you're buying something at a large store that sells a lot of things, just make sure the box that you're getting looks like it hasn't been opened, like the original tape hasn't been taped over, stuff like that. I happened to get this one after getting another one that had a broken tank. I got this one, it's clear, it's a brand new toilet. Someone's already tried the wax seal on it. There were parts missing. The actual wax seal itself was missing. That was supposed to come with it. Also, some of the washers were bent to hold the thing, the toilet tank on the back of the toilet. So just a tip for future reference, maybe buy a toilet. If you're buying a toilet or something like that, any large or any appliance or anything like that, just make sure make sure you inspect it after you get it home too. There's no cracks and stuff. There was a crack in the tank, that's why I went and got another one. Now this one's clearly been used. The box had been retaped up, and I could see that if I would have just looked a little bit careful. But so be mindful of that. Just get the box if you're buying a toilet or whatever that hasn't already been taped up. So, and then when you get it home, inspect it for any cracks or anything like that, so that you don't get it installed and then find out that something was wrong with it. So, just a tip. Anyway, I digress. Here we go. Back to, so it says place bolts in the floor flange, secure with a retainer washer. So we talked about that. Set the toilet bowl upside down. On a smooth surface, remove the plastic tray from the wax ring. So that's this plastic tray here. This is a reinforced wax ring by Everbuilt here. So this is different because it has this extra plastic here. And it says remove the plastic tray from the wax ring and place it around the discharge opening with flange, pointing away from the bowl. Press the wax ring softly onto the toilet to install. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off, I think, hopefully. Trying to, carefully. Pretty sticky. I guess that's how it's supposed to be. So you move that, throw that away, then press this down kind of evenly between the two bolt holes, as evenly as you can. Kind of, I guess it says press the wax ring softly on the toilet to install. So I'm guessing just kind of push it down a little bit. I don't know. Just so it's kind of sticking, so when you flip the toilet over, it doesn't fall on. Maybe. Okay, so I guess that'll do it. So just kind of have it pressed on there. Yeah. Then we're going to reposition the camera. I'm going to wash my hand, and then I'm going to try and put it down on the bolts and secure it. So we'll be right back.